100, 50, 40, 30.
Hey guys, what is up? It's Hamza Bayoumi here, and today welcome back to another Hamza Bayoumi video. And today we're going to be showing you the demonstration of the UPS Boeing 747-400F in SimplePlanes. Alright, so let's get started. So the first thing we need to do is go to SimplePlanes, so let's go to SimplePlanes. Alright, now the game should be loading in a second. Alright, so we are at the title, it says SimplePlanes. So let's go ahead and click on the play button. And then let's go to build and fly. And then let's go to the play button again, since we're at sandbox. Alright. So, here's the UPS Boeing 747-8F. So, this is what 400F. So, this is what it looks like in full detail. Alright. It even has the registration. November 578 Uniform Papa. This is what it looks like in full detail. Alright. So, let's go ahead and click on the play button. So, one last thing, here are the engines. These are GE CF6-80C2B1F engines. Alright, so let's go ahead and click on the play button to do our test flight. Alright, now the flight should be loading. Alright, so we are at Wright Airport. So, let's have a few moments before takeoff. Here are the engines. These are GE CF6-80C2B1F engines. Alright, and it also has the registration again, November 578 Uniform Papa. Alright, and the other side as well. Alright, so let's go ahead and get ready for takeoff. Here we go. Let's go to cockpit view. Takeoff throttles to 50%. And taking off. Takeoff thrust set. 80 knots. V1, rotate. Positive rate of climb, gear coming up. Alright, gear is coming up. As you can see, we are climbing out of Wright Airport. Alright, we will cruise at 5,000 feet. We are climbing at 1,000 feet. I think we're going a little bit too fast. We're gonna reduce our throttle. The rest is going to climb. Still going too fast. But I love how the engines look like in full detail. Video is 2 minutes and 47 seconds long. Alright, and then here's the front of the plane. And I love how there is a flyby view. Alright. We are at 4,000 feet. One more to go until we reach 5,000 feet. We are at 5,000 feet. Alright. Make a left turn. Alright. Let's go ahead and land back at the airport. Gear coming down. Gear coming down. Alright, gear is coming down. We're going to land back at Wright Airport. We are 2,500 feet above ground. Let's go into cockpit view. Alright, let's hope we can butter this landing like Swiss 001. Alright. We are 1,000 feet above ground, and I also love how the engines look like in full detail. And here's the landing gear as well. We are 500 feet above ground. 400 feet above ground. 300 feet above ground. Approaching minimums. 200 feet above ground. Minimums. 100 feet above ground. Alright, here we go. 50. 50. 40. 30. 20. 10. Alright. Flare it. Come on. Flared it. Now let's use reverse thrust to stop the plane. Alright. Alright, we'll just park it right here. Alright, so that is going to be it for the demonstration of the UPS Boeing 747-400F in SimplePlanes, registered as November 578 uniform pop-up. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and as always, peace out, guys.